Hello and welcome to day 5 of our trip to Farkasy. The original route takes us from Lake Garda to the Gavia Pass to the Stelvio Pass and end up in Manos. This should have been an easy 1 day's riding with adequate stops to admire the scenery, which I have to say is pretty amazing. However, although there were some really big signs in front of us and we stopped in front of them, we managed to miss reading the important information that the Stelvio Pass was going to be closed because of a landslide. So we went all the way through the Gavia Pass and we had to come back all the way through the Gavia Pass to Trento and then from there up to Manos.